हो जागो म्हाका दिसता खुबश्या लोकांक खबर आसतलें की फॉन्तेनास म्हणटा तो पणजे जागो सामको फामाद. खुबशे फिल्मांची शुटींग हांगा जातात आनी तेजे लागून थोडे जे इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स आसा ते सुद्दां ह्या जाग्या बद्दलचे रिल्स घालतात आनी तेजे लागून जेन्ना ट्युरिस्ट हांगासर येतात तेन्ना हांगासर जे लोक रावतात तांकां सुद्दां खूब त्रास जाता. तेंच्या घरांक पांय लावन ते फोटो काडटात. हांगासर आमी जर पळयत जाल्यार प्रत्येक दाराचेर जावं जनेलांचेर हांगासर नो फोटोग्राफी नो व्हिडिओ रिकॉर्डिंग म्हणून बरयलां. पूण कोणाकूच कांय पडलेलें आसना. जे ट्युरिस्ट हांगासर येतात ते आनी ते हांगासर फोटोज आनी व्हिडिओज काडत आसतात. हालींच एक इन्सिडंसान एक व्हिडिओ असो व्हायरल जालो तितून जे हांगासरले एक रेजिडंट्स आसा आलू गोम्स परेरा हेंचो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जालो की ते जे हांगासर ट्युरिस्ट येतात फोटो काडपाक जावं व्हिडिओ काडपाक तेंच्या वांगडा ते तांकां हॅरेस करता असो म्हणून व्हिडिओ आयलो. खुबश्या पयलींच्या अशा इन्सिडंट्सांनी तेंचें नांव येयलां की ट्युरिस्टाचे आनी तेंच्या मदीं खुबशीं केस्तांवां जाल्ल्याचे जे व्हिडिओज आसा तेय व्हायरल जाल्या. तर जे आलू गोम्स आसा पेरेरा जे हांगासरले रेजिडंट्स आसा तेंचे कडेन आनी जाणा जावन घेवया की एक्चुअली ते दीस जालें कितें, हो जो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जालो तेजे फाटलें सत्य कितें आनी जेन्ना हांगासर ते लोक रावतात आनी अशा तरेन जेन्ना ट्युरिस्ट हांगासर येतात तेन्ना तांकां कसले त्रास जाता आनी तेजे लागून जे फ्रस्ट्रेशन आमकां ते व्हिडिओन पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. हे फ्रस्ट्रेशन तांकां येवपाचें कारण कितें जाल्यार आमच्या वांगडा आसा सर आलू गोम्स परेरा. तेंचे कडेन जाणा जावन घेवया की अशें कितें घडलें की ते इतके हायपर जाले आनी खुबदां ते अशे कॉन्ट्रोवर्सींनी पयलीं तेंचें नांव आयिल्लें आसा की फॉन्तेनासान जेन्ना अशे भशेन ट्युरिस्ट येतात तेन्ना खंय ते तांकां हरेस करतात अशें म्हणून तेंचें नांव जाता. पूण हेज्या फाटलें सत्य कितें तें म्हाका दिसता तेंचेच कडल्यान जाणा जावन घेतलें. बरें सर, सो हे इन्सिडंट्सा बद्दल आमी उलयले.
I don't want to comment about incident, and I've said it once and too many times. When you're harassed and you're staying in that locality, you must have walked in that locality, correct? I've asked you a question before. If you were there and if the tourists misbehave themselves, threaten you, abuse you, what would be your reaction?
तेंचे कडल्यान पयलीं येता, तुमी पयलीं रिएक्ट करना.
Not at all. It is from them. Only when you live there you will realize what kind of tourists these are. Disrespectful people. We have signages. The government tourism board has put a signage how to behave themselves on those streets because they've said it is a residential area. It's a pure residential. First of all, they have converted residents into restaurants, commercial. Is that correct? You call this a conservation area?
पूण थंय कोण गोंयकारूच न्ही, गोंयकारांनीच आपले प्रॉपर्टी दिल्या न्ही ती.
Boy, Konkani famous Vikpa. Can Goankar buy the properties there? No.
ना तेच म्हणटा गोंयकारांनी भायल्यान विकली न्हू थंय प्रॉपर्टी आनी थंय मागीर तेंच्यांनी ती रेस्टॉरंट आनी हॉटेलां.
Sometimes correct. We are destroying ourselves, Baba. You don't need an outsider to destroy Goa. You need ourselves to destroy. But what Goan has an option. If he comes to you to sell the property, you cannot afford to buy at that price. A guy from Hyderabad or from Delhi, he comes and says, how much is it? This much? I'll pay you more. The only agreement you have to do is that he pays in cash.
कितले गोंयकार उरल्या थंय आतां फॉन्तेनासान?
Maximum. Now there are a lot of Goans are there.
पूण सदांच तुमचें नांव कित्याक फुडें? तुमी म्हणटा खूब गोंयकार.
Because I'm against what is happening. The others are behind the curtain. You know, what is shame is to be a coward. That is a shame for me. I'm not a coward. And sit behind the curtains and gossip. Like, it's sensation for them. It's something to talk about, but not to act. And that's a pity. That's why Goa will come down.
सर, तुमचो व्हिडिओ अशा तरेन व्हायरल जाता. खूबदां अशें तुमी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीन आसता की ट्युरिस्टा अगेन्स्ट तुमी ट्युरिस्टांक हॅरेस केले जावं कितें. बाकीचे तुमचे जे लागींचे लोक आसा तेंचो कितें हे रिएक्शन आसता तुमचें?
That you'll have to ask them. I cannot.
बट युजली तुमकां येवन उलयता
I
आसता.
cannot answer for them. You'll have to talk to the others. And you'll get the same reaction, but they'll not come out to fight. They'll stay in the house and talk about it. Balcony. Goans are famous to sit on the balcony and talk.
सो तुमचो एक्चुअली डिमांड कितें आसा? कारण परत परत तुमी हे जाता.
Don't come and harass us. Don't disturb us. We need rest. We need peace of mind. These are residences. These are not monuments for people to come and click photographs, abuse us, invade our privacy. This is not correct. Is that correct? Tell me. I'm asking you, is that correct?
कारण खुबदां टुरिझम प्रमोट करता आसतना वो फॉन्टेनास जो एरिया आसा तोय प्रमोट जाता.
Why?
इवन फिल्मांची शुटिंगां जाता थंय आनी
That
कितें
is the
जाता.
biggest crime. Because of the film, now that is stopped. ESG has stopped giving permissions to film. That was the first crime.
Mhm.
Then comes your influencers. You know what is this attitude? Parasitical attitude. They are like parasites. They thrive on somebody else's investment. You say you want tourism, take it into your area. Why not? Why not? Tell me.
सो एक प्रश्न असो की इफ टुरिस्ट थंय येता बोवाळ करिना काय करिना फक्त एक फोटो मारता आनी वता.
Photo naka. You are invading my privacy.
सो तुमकां अशें
Why
की
you
हे
want?
एन्जॉय करा पूण फोटो घेयनाका.
Because with your photo, you're an Instagram. We don't want this Instagram tourism. You come for our culture, come for our history. You're talking about architecture, we'll accept it. Not this rubbish that comes here. There are comments from people from our neighborhood. I don't want to tell you. This is trash, they say. But do they come out and tell the tourists, you all are trash? No, nobody tells that. I'm in tourism business. We never had tourism like this. This is over tourism. It's happening all over the world. Go to Barcelona, they've attacked tourists now. Go to Venice, they're fining the tourists for misbehaving. Read recently in Times of India came about Prague to stop bar hopping tourism. We want only cultural tourism. The whole world is reacting against this over tourism. Only our authorities are blind to this. Why they're blind? Why are they blind? Because they are not suffering. Nobody is suffering. You are not suffering. We are suffering. That's why we are reacting. And you see the maximum number of people was near my house. Now they are less and less because I'm reacting. So now if you walk on the 31st January road, you will not be able to walk or drive. And how would you react to that? Sometimes they don't even move from the street or the road. You will not be able to drive. And if you say something, and you see what is their tourist reaction, then you will realize what I'm talking about. Believe me, you will realize in 5 minutes you would react very differently. This is my say.
5 मिनटां म्हणटा तुम्ही जर थंयच रावता. तुम्ही थंयच रावता. तुम्ही आमकां म्हणटा 5 मिनटां राव आनी पळया पूण तुम्ही थंयच रावता.
You know.
सो ह्या एक्शनाचें रिएक्शन ते आमकां दिश्टी पडटा म्हणटा तुम्ही एवरी टायम.
This is what it is. And you see how insulting they are, how arrogant. Their attitude is arrogance. That is a bad attitude. I'm talking about, there is a message to me from an established, commercial establishment. Do you want me to read? Do you want me to read?
नाव घेनासतना तुम्ही जर वाचूंक शकताले.
I will tell you. I'll read. They fight with us to use our washrooms and say the court has given an order. Every day we get trashy tourists that walk around but no business from them.
म्हणजे आता हे जितले फोंतेनासान येता ते थंय जे बिझनेस आसा तांकां कांयच फायदो ना.
Gold boards, tourists gold board thing. Picture, cities, gold board. Well, you will be able to drive here? See, my friend.
तुम्ही सरकाराकडे केन्ना उलोवना? देर इज टुरिझम मिनिस्टर सीएम.
Tourism minister he's put the board. I spoke to him. He's put the board. But who reads the board? These tourists don't want to read boards. We have put on our houses, do not photograph. Do they respect it? They don't respect. They are authority by themselves. Because they have an attitude. You come to Goa, you can do whatever they want. There's no law and order here. They ride through, there is a board, no entry. Motorbikes, cars are going.
पूण
Who's enforcing that?
फायनली सर एक तुमकां म्हणपाक शकता जेन्ना तुमचो अशे तरेन व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाता थोड्या लोकांक दिसता आसतलें की हो मनीस कितें काय म्हणून हो विलन सो दिसता आसतलो खुबश्या लोकांक. सो त्या लोकांक जे गोंयकार म्हणटा आमचे गोंयकार भाव आहा तांकां तुमी कितें सांगतात?
Baba, just come and experience, that's all. come and experience what we are going through. It's a torture, mental torture. Only then you will realize what we are suffering. Don't stay away, far away and criticize us. Don't think wrong about us. Finally, if you don't wake up now, if Goa does not wake up now, I predict it will be a disaster. It will be dead. Goa will be dead. There's already a change, demographic change in Goa. It will be worse. Wake up now. This is my message to the Goans.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
तर हे आशिल्ले आलू गोम्स परेरा. व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जालो, तुमकां दिसला आसतलें की हो मनीस कितें गोंय टुरिझम स्टेट आनी टुरिस्टांकूच हॅरेस करता. पूण तेंची एक सायड आसा, ते जशे तरेन म्हणटा की तुमी येयात, एन्जॉय करात, बेश्टे फोटो काडी नाका. इन्फ्लुएन्सरांक सुद्दां ते सांगता की अश्यो गजाली घालनाका की ते लोक थंय रावतात, तांकां त्रास जाता. ते म्हणटा दीस रात थंय टुरिस्ट येता, तांकां सुशेग मेळना. मागीर अशा तरेन ते रिएक्ट जाता. ते म्हणटा तुमी येया, 5 मिनटां जर तुमचे कडेन जर सहन करपाक जाता जाल्यार पळयात. ते तर थंयच रावतात. ते म्हणटात त्या एक्शनाचे हे रिएक्शन. म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या बरेच प्रश्नाच्यो जाप सर आलू गोम्स परेरा हेंच्यांनी दिल्या आसतल्यो आनी तेंच्या बद्दलचें मत तुमचें कितें आसत तें म्हाका दिसता ह्या बारीकशा इंटरव्यूआ मागीर तें बदल्लाच आसतलें.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.